90Hz display, 50-megapixel camera, all under Rs 8,000. Unboxing the newly launched Infinix Smart 8. Infinix Smart 8, which was first launched in Nigeria in November last year, has been launched in India, packing a powerful punch for its wallet-friendly price. This budget beast boasts a smooth 90Hz display, a 50-megapixel dual camera for stunning snaps, and a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery to keep you powered all day. Plus, it runs on the latest Android 13 Go Edition based UI out of box, so you'll enjoy a seamless user experience. Infinix Smart 8's Indian variant has mostly the features which made the Nigerian variant one the most bought mobile phones. It's equipped with an octa-core MediaTek Helio G36 SoC and comes with a magic ring feature. Moreover, it's available in India in 4 color options, including Galaxy White, Rainbow Blue, Shiny Gold, and Timber Black. Infinix Smart 8 with single RAM and storage configuration of 4GB and 64GB is available for 7,499 Indian rupees. Moreover, it should be noted that the company has set a special launch price of 6,749 Indian rupees if people purchase the phone from Flipkart. The offer starts January 15th. The newly launched phone features a 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS display with a refresh rate of up to 90Hz, a peak brightness of 500 nits, and a touch sampling rate of 180Hz. Infinix Smart 8 is powered by a 12nm octa-core MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, paired with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage. Meanwhile, the RAM can be virtually expanded to 8GB, while the storage can be extended via a micro SD card up to 2TB. It's equipped with a 50-megapixel primary rear sensor alongside an unspecified AI-backed lens and a quad LED ring flash. The front camera includes an 8-megapixel sensor accompanied by an LED flash unit. The new magic ring feature appears around the cutout for the camera. It's quite similar to Apple's dynamic island, which shows user notifications, alerts, battery status, etc.